Today we're gonna do something different. Instead of working on cars, I'm gonna be doing some home improvement, which is cool because I've never really done these things, but now I'm just gonna start just doing it myself because you could save money when you do it. I'm gonna start working on the blinds right here, the window. In total, I've replaced 5 blinds, 3 for the bedrooms, which is the cordless, which goes down, and then 1 for the living room, which is vertical blinds, and then 1 for the back screen door, which is the longest vertical blinds that I'll be installing. Total of 5. I do it myself, really easy. Let's focus on these 1-in vinyl builds, which is the cheapest blinds that I saw at Home Depot, vinyl blinds, because I didn't really want to break the bank. These blinds I've had since we first purchased this house, and so I never really replaced them, but they're falling apart. As you could see, some of the teeth falling off, and so I'm just going to replace them with the 1-in vinyl and see how that looks. I got 3 of them to install. So the tools that you need basically are just drilling to drill the brackets, screwdriver to screw in the screws, cleaning products, so you want to clean the windows once you take off the old blinds. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much all you need. The 1-in vinyl build, you will have this cordless blind, which comes with the adjuster. Easy to install. That will be installed right here. And then it comes with 3 brackets and screws, which is really all you need to make sure that you can hold your blinds in place. And then we're ready to go. Now it's time to take off the old one. So it's time to replace the windows, the blinds in the windows. As you could see, it's an old, some of the vertical blinds are missing, so I have to replace these. And I'm gonna to remove the old vertical vinyls, really simple. Just use an old credit card and slide them up the connections, and then it's gonna come off real easily. So okay, now that I removed the blinds, I clean up the windows, and now it's time to remove the old bracket so that I could put the new one in. Here. So now that I removed the old blinds, now I can start marking so that I know where to put these brackets, drill it, and then put these brackets so I could put the new blinds on. So once you figure out where you're going to put the brackets and mark them, now you can start drilling. Screws, and just put your brackets. So once you figure out where to put the bracket, you can now just tighten it up right here. And it doesn't matter, you just have to gauge it. I just like to keep mine here. Some people will like their brackets, further inside the window. It's up to you. I just like it out here, like flush. So now you got 1 bracket. Now you have to put 2 more, 1 in the middle and 1 on the other side. Oh, by the way, you can also take this tape out, and it helps make your bracket stick to the wall. As you can see, I have all three brackets. 1, 2, and 3. So now I can install the blinds. You have to make sure you clip it from the top right here. Right here, that part. You gotta make sure it clicks. Right, like that. It gotta clip in like that. So right here, it's clip, and then this one too. Like that. So there you go. That's how you install the blinds. And now, just get this piece and you hook it right here. Right. That. And now you have that. And now you can bring the blinds down. Play with it. Play with it. That's the one vinyl blind. As you can see, this is the bedroom. And here is the workroom. As you can see, it came out really nice. Right? Boom. You know, came out real nice. And then here, the workout room. This one also came out nicely, as you can see. I'm replacing these vertical blinds. These long ones are about 80, a little bit over 81 inches. And I had to go to Home Depot like 3 times to do this because it wasn't cut long enough, short enough. So basically it kept rubbing the floor. So the 3rd time it's been cut, and now I'm just going to install them. So hopefully this time it works out. So there you have it. Finally got the blinds installed. As you can see, they're just at good length now. Before it was scraping the floor, but now it's good length. And then for the living room, I installed the vertical blinds. I didn't really get to do a tutorial on this, but it's pretty simple, the same thing. I just used the old brackets, so I didn't even have to remove them. And then, like I said, you just install these, once you have the top part on, then you could just start installing these vertical blinds individually. Fairly simple. So I did the same thing back here as I've shown right here. This, the long ones, like I said, I had some issues with it because it was rubbing down here, but I just went to Home Depot 3 times to have that done. And like I said, it's easy to have these installed. I use the old brackets. This one's an outside bracket, so it's not inside the window. I just used the old one. I didn't even have to use the hardware that they gave me. Basically just installed this and then put up the vertical blinds one by one, as you can see. So that's going to do it for this tutorial, installing these 1-in vinyl blinds. As I mentioned, this is the cheapest that Costco has to offer. And like I said, this is my first time installing these blinds. And if I could do it, obviously anyone else can. And I did 3 of these, one in the bedroom, one in the workroom, one in the workout room, and then of course the 2 vertical blinds, one in the living room and one in the back, you know, the screen door. And those are easy as well. But you know, again, if I could do these, anyone can. So till next time, stay safe and keep on rolling.